If you've ever seen a puppy gently cuddling with a toddler, some dogs are just made for families. Today we're sniffing out the absolute best puppy breeds that are sweet, safe, and simply irresistible for homes with kids. Love puppies as much as we do? Then boop that like button with your nose, hit subscribe, and come along for another adorable journey here at Puppyhood, where every day is Bring Your Dog to Heart Day. Golden Retrievers are the superstars of family life. With eyes full of kindness and tails that never stop wagging, these golden beauties are gentle giants in the puppy world. Families love them because they're super friendly, easy to train, and endlessly patient. They're perfect for families with young kids or even first-time dog owners. Fluff factor? 10 out of 10, brushing is bonding time. Imagine a puppy that will play fetch with your kids all afternoon, then curl up like a big teddy bear for bedtime cuddles. That's the Golden Retriever life. Meet the Labrador, the ultimate play buddy. These puppies are full of energy, love water, and always want to be part of the fun. Families love them because they're loyal, playful, and great with kids. Perfect for active families who love outdoor adventures. Fun fact, Labs are one of the most popular breeds worldwide. If your ideal weekend includes muddy paws, wagging tails, and laughter in the backyard, the Lab might just be your perfect match. With ears like velvet and eyes like melted chocolate, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel will melt your heart. Families love them because they're sweet, calm, and super affectionate. Perfect for families in apartments or quieter homes. And the cuteness overload, when they tilt their heads, game over. They're small in size but huge in love, making them perfect for snuggling up with children during movie night. Beagles are curious, clever, and completely adorable. Their floppy ears and big personalities make them a favorite for kids with lots of energy. Families love them because they're outgoing, loyal, and always up for an adventure, perfect for families who love walks and exploring. Just a warning, their noses lead them into mischief and snacks. They've got that classic puppy look and a bark that says, "Let's go play." Big, fluffy, and as sweet as a marshmallow, meet the gentle giant of the puppy world, the Bernese mountain dog. Families love them because they're calm, affectionate, and protective. Perfect for families with space and love to spare. Size versus soft? Yes, they grow big, but their hearts, even bigger. A Bernese puppy might knock over a few toys with their wagging tail, but you'll never find a more loyal friend. Did you know? Puppies can start forming social bonds with children as early as 7 weeks old. In one heartwarming story, a 5-year-old girl with anxiety found her voice again, all thanks to her Golden Retriever puppy who became her comfort, her playmate, and her best friend. Because for kids, sometimes a furry friend is more than just a pet, they're family. No matter the breed, the best puppy for your family is one that's loved, trained, and part of your everyday adventures. Because every puppy deserves belly rubs, bedtime snuggles, and lots of laughs. Thanks for exploring the fluffiest family members with us here on Puppyhood. If this video made you smile, or maybe made you dream of puppy paws running through your living room, give it a big thumbs up, comment below and tell us, what's your dream family dog? And don't forget to subscribe for more tail-wagging fun every week here on Puppyhood.